Hi, I'm going to talk about longest palindrome substring here. So as you see, it has two different value. Let's consider this value, and this one has this value. As you see here, it is easy that if two consecutive characters are in the equal, then they can form a palindrome. And here, when there are three characters, as you see, we can ignore the middle guy. It can be any letter, and that also forms a palindromic substring. Okay, you can see here. Right? So how do we define that? That will be the part of the code. We need to ignore this thing. I will explain them in the code. Small walkthrough of the code. As you see, I'm trying to store a position that are forming the palindrome. For example, here to B is forming a palindrome. Those things I will be updating, and this is the result. As you see, I is the end position, so it will go through till the end, and J will be the start position. It will be within the I position, okay, of the two forwards. And you can see here, it is just comparing both should be equal. Okay, I will explain about the OR condition. Okay. So as we take this example, you can see that D, right? You can ignore this D, and B are equal, and then we will update this DB. Okay, DB will be updated with this guy. You can ignore this thing like that. So it will be updated true for this B and D. Okay, 2 and 4, and then um, here you can see, right, the range when it comes to the next one, 1 and 4, right? As per this formula, you can see, right, I plus 1 and j minus 1, which is next nothing but the internal guys, okay, for these two guys like 1 and 5, right? Internal are 2 and 4, or they are already 2, then it's fine, okay. That is the condition here, it has been written. And this one is nothing but as I told here, right? Um, so this is nothing but BB is fine. Okay, so checking the condition for BB is fine, but if there is a in between another character is there, that also we should ignore it. Okay, so once we will ignore that, that is what this case we if A is there, and this condition, as I told here, already the middle range is satisfying that. That time also we can make it sure that this is fine. Then 1 to 5 range is also a palindrome range. That is what we are updating. Once we try to update the DB, we will make sure update the result, and that's all. I'll go through a small walkthrough about this input. Okay, as you see that range, right, you can see um, I will be the next character. So like initially the position of I will be starting from the 1, so that the J can start from the 0 position, and it will be like I will be going till the next one. Like once it's this position, I'll take this as an example. When I is here, then the J will be the 0 and 1. So this is the thing, loop will be conditional. So while this condition executing, you can see that 0 and 1 satisfy it. So we will be storing in the DB. So this is a line I have drawn. So making sure that this is being in the DB, it has been updated that 0 and 1 is satisfying that condition. Okay, and then the loop get increased, I value get increased, and the J also iterate within that range. And once we try to come here, we will be updating again the 2 and 4 also in the DB. And here again, when it comes to A and A, they are equal, and we already have updated in the BP that this particular range 2 and 4, 2 and 4 is already true. Okay, so then that condition has been satisfied. So again, a small walkthrough. What are those condition? Okay, one is both the characters should be equal, and then the DB that existing the range within them, that also should be palindromic, and the overall intermediate characters, like it should be single character intermediate, right? So as you see here, um, like 0 minus 2, it's 1, and which is less than 2. Okay, that is the condition is so 0 minus 2 is 2, is less than or equal to 2. So that is the condition here, and we are updating the results. Okay. um, yeah. Thank you.